Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some barbecue chicken breast on our Pit Boss. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here you have it. I have 3 big juicy pieces of chicken breast. We got this at Walmart. They were pretty cheap. And you can't go wrong with some smoked chicken, especially when you add a little barbecue sauce on them. It's one of the best things you will ever cook. Now, of course, we're going to be using the barbecue rub. For this, we're going to go ahead and add some of this. No binder, because normally the chicken, I never really put any binder. So we're just going to make sure we get it all over this. We're going to go nice and heavy because these are big pieces of chicken breast. You can see they're nice and they're big. So we're going to make sure we get every part of this chicken breast. And like I said, these are barbecue, so at some point, once they hit about, I would say about 160, is where we're going to come in and add some barbecue sauce to them. And so, yeah, make sure you get every part of this. You want to get all this covered really well. And then we do the same on this last little piece over here. Flip it. This rub gives a really good flavor to a lot of the meat. And this barbecue rub can be used on all sorts of meat, pork, chicken, beef. Because there are some rubs out there that is only meant for beef. This one is meant for pretty much any type of meat. That's why I like it, and it's really good. So now that we have them all nice and covered, all right, so how are we going to cook this bad boy? We're going to put these in there at 275. Once they hit about the internal temp, about 160, we're going to go in there, add some barbecue sauce, and let them ride to about 168, 170 tops is where I like to have it. The recommended internal temp for these, for them to be done, is 165. Once they hit 165, they're done. I like to go a little bit more up on my chicken. That's the way how I like it. But if you guys want to stop at 165, that's up to you guys. Or take it a little bit more higher like I do. So, that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. Alright, our Pit Boss is at 275. Go ahead and add this to this side. And we'll be back when it hits about 160. All right, our chicken is at 160. Go ahead and add some barbecue sauce. All right, we'll be back when it hits about 168. All right, our chicken is at 168. Let's take it out. Look at that. We'll be back. Welcome back, guys. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so here you have it, and oh my God, this looks so good. We're gonna go ahead and give it get a nice piece right here. Oh yeah, look at this. This looks so good. The barbecue sauce is really good. That's really good. So remember, you can take it at 165. That's fine. Just me personally, I like it a little bit higher than that. But it's up to you guys how long you guys want to do this. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit the subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.